One of the lesser reported outcomes of the COVID-19 crisis has been a global increase in the gender-based violence cases. In Tunisia, the country has seen a 5-fold uptick in GBV cases in the first 3 months of the pandemic alone. This is surprising for 2 reasons. First, Tunisia has long been known as a country that is a champion in promoting gender equality. But second, and most importantly, in 2017, Tunisia passed a landmark combating gender-based violence law that sought to protect women from all forms of GBV, including marital rape. However, what the COVID crisis has shown is that this law has failed to be implemented and really exists on paper alone. Neither the president nor the prime minister have spoken out against the uptick in gender-based violence cases, and the international community has largely ignored the issue. Therefore, the international community, who has poured tons of money into Tunisia in order to help them combat the economic and humanitarian crises that came along with COVID-19, needs to consider combating gender-based violence as part of that package. That could look like supporting civil society organizations who've existed for decades and are experts at providing hotlines and shelters and educating women and men about the importance of combating gender-based violence. Or that could look like providing technical support to the Ministry of Interior, the courts, the parliament, and religious officials in order to help them educate the public about the law and also make sure that the law is actually implemented as it is written on paper. This is not going to be the last time that Tunisia experiences an uptick in gender-based violence cases. We see an uptick, although not to this magnitude, at times of crisis, during holidays, when women are stuck at home, sometimes with their abusers. Therefore, it's imperative that the international community and the Tunisian government seize the opportunity today, as they're seeking to provide humanitarian support, to also try to combat gender-based violence and implement the law to make sure this sort of uptick does not happen again in the future.